Key concept number 10, data labels. Data labels provide additional information about a data marker. They can consist of the value of the marker, the name of the data series or category, a percent value, or a bubble size. The different types of data labels that are available depend on the type of chart and the data that is plotted. So as you can see, I've added data labels for the Espresso data column. Simply do that by selecting it. You left click on it once. That's how I did it. Then I right clicked and I went down to add data labels. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I've already done it for the Espresso, so I'm going to choose the drip coffee. I'm going to right click on it, right click, add data labels. There we go. Now let's say I wanted to do it for the food and beverage data column. I'd select it by left clicking it. Then I would right click on it, add data labels, and there we go. That is how I would add my data labels for my data columns. I would just select it, right click, go data labels, and it would enter it for me. Another way to add data tables would be to come up to my Chart Tools Layout tab, Data Labels, and Show. Now if I wanted to delete them, simply come over, left click on it, highlights all of them, delete, hit your delete button, left click, click on it, and delete. So we went over two ways of putting in data labels. So I'm just going to add them again real quick. I'm going to select the Espresso, right click, add data labels. Now I'm also going to choose the drip coffee, add data labels. So as you can see, data labels containing the actual values for Espresso and drip coffee sales are displayed above the appropriate sales columns on the chart. The values are used in the same formatting as the values in the worksheet. So these values are the same as they look over here in our worksheet. Data labels, like other chart elements, can be further enhanced by adding fill colors, shadows, 3D effects, lines, and text orientation to the data label. So now we'll go over different ways to format data labels from the shortcut menu. So we want to add the currency symbol to the drip coffee data label so the format matches the Espresso label. So we're going to add a $sign. So we're going to come over, we're going to select it, so right click, format data labels. It asks us to come over to number, then we want to select currency and move the decimal places to 0. Then we simply hit close. And as you can see, we now have $signs there added. So our data labels with currency formatting is added. And as we explained earlier, just like other chart elements, data labels can be further enhanced by adding fill color, shadow, 3D effects, lines, and text orientation to the data labels. So real quickly, we would right click, format data labels, and we can do all the same things here. Number, fill, border, 3D. So just get in there, see what you can find out, see if you learned something. This is Charles Piscopo signing off, and I'll see you in class.